So hey guys, welcome back to our channel Manmat Educations, and today is the day 15th of August, the Independence Day of India, and it's the 75th anniversary of independent India. So guys, अभी फ़िलहाल हम सिम्फेरोपोल रशिया में हैं एंड आज हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं इस दिन को, काफ़ी अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट करने वाले हैं एंड वी इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स हैव ऑर्गेनाइज्ड अ फ्लैग होस्टिंग सेरेमनी एंड और भी काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं. सो गाइस, व्लॉग बहुत मज़ेदार होने वाला है, व्लॉग पूरा का पूरा देखना, मिस मत करना कुछ भी. एंड और भी चीज़ें हैं. वी विल इंट्रोड्यूस आवर डीन टुडे और स्पीचेस होंगी डीन की, और हमारे जो डायरेक्टर हैं मैनमेट एजुकेशन के डॉक्टर जसमीत सिंह ढिल्लों, उनकी भी स्पीच है आगे, हम उनसे भी आपको मिलाएंगे टुडे, और भी काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं. सो गाइस, ब्लॉग में बने रहना, पूरा का पूरा देखना, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है. And Manmat Education wishes you and your family a very, very, very happy Independence Day. So guys, right now I am in park, which is situated just behind our hostel. It's very big park. Someday I'll give the tour of this park also. And right now I'm going towards our hostels, 4th and 5th hostel basically, जहाँ पर ये ceremony रखी गई है. And it's such a cool weather today, as you can see. So guys, let's go there, enjoy the day. And if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, go and subscribe the channel right now to get updated whenever we upload any content on our channel. And do like, comment and share the video if you like it. And we almost reached the hostels, so let's enjoy the day.
With the core of our hearts, would like to welcome you all to today's function on the behalf of entire Indian Students Association.
Yes, it's time to welcome you all. So, let's gear up for a beautiful beginning. And I invite Mr. Arvind Raja, the President of Indian Students Association, to deliver the welcome speech.
Good morning everyone. Honorable Dean of International Medical Faculty, Madam Svetlana Smirnova, and our esteemed guests, Dr. Ajay Prakash, Dr. Jasmeet Dhillon, and Dr. Vikash. It's an absolute honor for me to stand here today and welcome each and every one of you to celebrate our 75th Independence Day. It's our innate responsibility to pay respect to our beloved nation. So once again, I would like to welcome you all on this occasion on behalf of whole of ISA. Thank you.
To the beauty of the country. And now we welcome all of our guests to witness the proud moment of hoisting the tricolor flag as a tribute to our motherland, and I request Dr. Ajay to do the honors. So please come and do the honors for hoisting the flag.
And along, let us sink into the depth of our patriotic song. Chato to recite the pledge. All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country
And I'm proud of its
and I'm proud of it.
rich and varied heritage.
Rich and varied heritage.
I shall always
I shall always
strive to be worthy of it.
strive to be worthy of it.
I shall give my parents,
I shall give my parents,
teachers and all elders
teachers and all elders
respect and treat everyone
respect and treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
to my country
to my country
and my people.
and my people.
I pledge my devotion.
I pledge my devotion.
India well-being
India well-being
and prosperity.
and prosperity.
Alone lies my happiness.
Alone lies my happiness.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. Jai! Jai!
The world's most prominent women leaders have shown the importance of honesty, courage, impact, and decisive action in leadership. I guess no further introduction is needed, and I call upon our leader, our Dean, Madam Svetlana, to put her thoughts into words. So with a big round of applause, let us welcome our dear Madam Dean.
Good morning, everyone. For me, very pleasure today. Congratulations you with your Independent India Days. I am happy present here on this beautiful meeting, and I see you can be different. I remember you, same with students. So after this day, when I see you on different character, I will ask more hard. I hope you can study more nice. I hope you can take more best level of scientific level. You can be friendly, not inside of your Indian associated. You remember, our faculty name International Medical Faculty. So you cannot divide it, Indian students. This is very important for your culture. This is very important for your family. But in Crimea, our Dean Office love all students. And for Dean Office, for me, special, not important your nationality. Indian students, African students, we cannot divide it. Students of International Medical Faculty must be together. Only together we can take high level in medicine. Today you're only students, but after finish of university, you will come to different country of the world, not back to home. Part of students back to India, part of students back to home country, but part of the students will go to different country, and you will have many colleagues which different professional level, and in any time you can call, dear my friend, Australia, do you can give me consultation about cardio? Dear my friend in UK, do you can set me specific method treatment of kidney? This very important for medical international faculty and for you. In this beautiful your nationality day, I wish for your country very high developed. And when I see how students of India will work in UK, for me showed a little sad, because in first time you need develop your home country. Your home country, this is India, and you remember about this. And first time you need back to your home country, to your India, which give for you life. You need back to your family. You need back to your city. You need back to your home patients which wait you. Then we asked first exam, previous university study. I usually asked, when you will work after university? Maybe 30% of students said, ma'am, I want back to my village, because till near hospital, maybe 100 kilometers, and members of our village sometimes cannot take medical consultations. Please, remember about this. And in this beautiful day, I wish for you, for your parents, for your family, for your country, great, successful.
To welcome our dear Dr. Jasmeet sir to share a few words with us. So let us welcome with a big round of applause.
Hi to everyone, respected chief guest, our senior citizens, ISA members, and dear students. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, sir.
First of all, I would like to wish all of you Happy Independence Day. We gathered here for 75th Independence Day. It is really a very great event in India. This day holds a lot of significance for Indians because on this day we got independence from Great Britain. Now India is progressing day by day. India is developing in science, technology, agriculture, and lot of other fields. But it is not all. There are a lot of problems in India. That is why it is now your turn, our turn, to do our best to make India develop more and more. Help each other, respect each other, and go forward. And give everything for your country. Jai Hind!
Jai Hind. Pictures.
The happy faces. Thank you for the smiles. Thank you for the love. Thank you. Jai Hind.
As we have come to the conclusion of the event, let's boost our patriotism hearing our national song.
Sumarama Shini Kadam Varada
wonderful when you're abroad. And wait, first of all, just get clarified with the language. We're using English just for the clarity purposes.
Yeah.
Very
Yeah,
true.
totally.
And since we are here miles away from our country, and when we see so many people dressed in our own traditional attires, me myself being dressed in one, like it feels so good when the national anthem, the national songs beats in the heart. For this one particular day, we are so much proud of being Indian. That's all. Jai Hind.
So, in my opinion, I'm feeling really overwhelmed here, as we can see that we are feeling like we are in mini India. So many Indians are gathered here, in fact our dean. So we are not feeling any difference from our own motherland, our own country. We sang national anthem, national song, and it was really nice to see everyone united here. It was a wonderful experience today.
Thank you so much. Happy Independence Day.
Same to you.